Hiding views dynamically in SwiftUI is an amazing feature because it allows developers to create highly responsive and interactive user interfaces with minimal effort. By conditionally showing or hiding elements based on the state or logic, you can provide a cleaner, more intuitive experience for your users. This video will show you exactly how to implement this powerful technique, empowering you to build apps that feel smarter, look better, and adapt seamlessly to user input. If you have ever wanted to hide some content dynamically in SwiftUI, this is the tutorial you need to watch. Make sure to check out my Black Friday sale. The link for the 91% discount is in the description. Time is ticking. We are almost done. So I have prepared a demo project right over here, which will make sure that we are going to talk about how to hide views in SwiftUI properly. I just have a toggle right over here, just like, state variable is hidden and that's bind to that toggle. And then a horizontal stack with two side colors, these two red colors with a height of 30 and some content. Again, a color which has a frame of width and height of 60. Okay, that's our content. We want to hide our content. Now, how would we do that? Well, first of all, if you are into SwiftUI, you might want to check out the hidden view modifier. So you just go hidden, and there it is, hides this view unconditionally. So it's just going to hide it. And as you can see, it's just hidden. The place is there, so the frame is still there. But, it's just hidden. You can't actually see it, and it's taking up space. In some cases, you do want this. But, we want to make this even further. So what I'm going to do is just comment this out. This is just, just a simple and plain way of hiding. And it's not dynamic, by the way. So how can we make this dynamic? Well, we can let's just remove this whole line actually. And let's add an if statement on the is hidden property. So if it's hidden, then we are going to present something. Otherwise, we are going to present something else. So let's just have, if it's not hidden, let's just have a content of mint. That's fine for now. Okay, as you can see, there it is. And otherwise, we want to hide it. So we're going to go content.mint again. So it has to be the same. And then .hidden. Hidden, what we used previously right over here. And I'm going to remove this too. Okay, so why does this work? Well, actually, it's just using the if-else statement to make sure that if this is true, we are going to hide it. And if it's not true, we are going to show it. But it's not actually showing and hiding. It's reconstructing the whole view as a hidden one, or of course, a not hidden one. Why do we need to do the same view? Well, because of the bounds of the view and so forth. So it should be the same view added on the if statement clause and on the else part of that. So now, because this is tied, the toggle is tied to the is hidden, now we can just toggle it. And there we go. Now it's toggling it. And it's doing it with this nice fade in and fade out transition. Of course, you may add other transitions like scaling or sliding, all of that stuff. This is actually not the purpose of this tutorial. This Black Friday, take your SwiftUI skills to the next level. With my Ultimate Bundle now at an incredible 91% discount, you'll get all my tools designed to help you develop apps faster and smarter, plus exclusive access to SwiftUI Camp, a 4-week live Zoom bootcamp starting December the 2nd. Become an expert SwiftUI developer for just $199. Total value is $2,280. Don't wait, this offer won't last. Click the link in the description to grab your bundle now. This is fine, but it's really cumbersome. I would like to have a little bit more. Okay, and also, this could be achieved in a different way. So if you just really want to remove, hide the view, you shouldn't reconstruct it like we did over here. So these are two different views. If they have state variables, they will be deconstructed and reconstructed again. Instead, what you should use is the opacity. So content mint, not hidden, but opacity. And if it's hidden, then just set it to 0. Otherwise, set it to 1. And this does the same effect, of course, but now we are not reconstructing the view like we did with the if-else statement right over here. Okay, but actually this is not what I want. I want also the frame, the space to be taken out of my view hierarchy too. So let's just do that. We need, this is where this tutorial shines, we need to create a view modifier for that. So I'm just going to scroll down over here and I'm going to actually create a new view extension on the view. And this will be a view builder, func hidden, that's fine, but I also want to add an is hidden, with a small s, is hidden boolean. And also, we are hiding it, but do we also want to remove it? I want to add options for that too. So let's just have remove to as the boolean, and default should be true. So I don't have to type that out over and over again because usually I just want to hide it. Okay, so this is going to return some view, that's fine. So let's just go through the logic here. If is hidden, else. If it's not hiding, then we should just actually go and have self. That's right. Okay, it's not hidden. We are just going to have self. If it's hidden, then we should have self.hidden. Okay, that's fine. Let's just add this. We already set this up, but there's more to it. Let's just see how this looks like. So I'm going to go content, mint, and then hidden. And auto-completion is not doing me any favors. I'm going to go is hidden. So hidden is hidden. The is hidden is actually the view modifier, the state variable that is tied to the toggle. So let's see this in action. It's actually hiding it as it should. But we already had this. We set this up. What we actually want to do is make sure that it's removing it. So how to? Well, we are going to say if the remove is false, so we are actually do want to remove it, only then we want to hide it. So let's see how this looks like. Note that I did not add an else clause on the remove. Let's just see that right now. So right over there, you see, it just removed it. And those two red views are actually taking, occupying the space available. And now, there it is. There we go. Really nice. And of course, because, you can see some artifacts right over here. When the view is actually going to be unhidden, when we are showing it, we want to add a transition right over here. This I just found out through trial and error. We just want to have an opacity, not tracking, transition of opacity. Okay, now let's build that again. There we go. Much nicer. Okay, and this will kind of show when you are hiding other types of views like text and all of that stuff. But this is actually how you should hide views. Of course, you may use the remove as set to false, so it should not remove it. But this is the easiest and safest way to hide views dynamically in SwiftUI. Now, if you did like this, go ahead and check out the Black Friday sale that I have. The link is down in the description for a 91% discount. Time is ticking.